This could be the car for you. The 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. Whether you're on a family road trip or doing the daily drive, the Equinox is your go-to vehicle. It's the elegant solution that blends advanced safety technology, passenger comfort, and SUV functionality. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats. Enjoy the journey in the capable and comfortable Equinox. Drive it today.